welcome to Beam Them Up. Today we're going to focus on the power of positive affirmations. These simple yet powerful statements can shift your mindset, boost your confidence, and help you to manifest the life you deserve. So let's get started. In order to use affirmations effectively, you need to say them with intention. Believe in the words you are speaking. If you don't believe in what you're saying, your affirmations are not going to work. Repeat them daily, especially in the morning and evening hours, because that's when they work the best. When you first start your day, your mind is clear of clutter. And in the evening, you can recap what took place during your day. And pair your affirmations with deep breaths for added focus and to help you to stay calm. I'm going to guide you through 20 affirmations, so feel free to repeat them after me, either out loud or in your mind. Let's begin. I am worthy of love and success. I attract positivity and abundance into my life. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am resilient and I can handle anything that comes my way. I am confident, courageous, and unstoppable. I am constantly learning and growing. I have the power to create the life I want. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. I am aligned with my purpose and passion. My efforts are creating lasting results. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I release all negativity and embrace peace. I choose to focus on what I can control. I am surrounded by love and positivity. Every day is a fresh start full of possibilities. My body is healthy, my mind is strong, and my soul is at peace. I make choices that support my well-being. I feel energized, happy, and healthy. I am in harmony with myself and the world around me. I deserve to take care of myself and prioritize my happiness. Wow, that was relaxing and empowering. So let me know in the comments section which affirmation resonated most with you. Or share your favorite affirmation on our community page and let's spread some positivity together. I wanted to say thank you for joining me today. And remember, the words we speak shape the life we live. Speak kindly to yourself and watch what unfolds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little positivity in their day. Until next time, I'm Monica Renee. Peace and love.